Hey everyone! So you probably heard about MCP, Model Context Protocol, but what exactly is it? In the next couple of minutes, I'll explain what problem it solves and why Anthropic created it. Let's dive in. Okay, so imagine you are using Claude or ChatGPT. These AI assistants are super smart, right? But we are kinda stuck in a box. They cannot read your files, check your calendar, or interact with your tools. It's like having a brilliant assistant who can only talk but cannot actually do anything on your computer. Sure, some apps have plugins or function calling, but here's the thing. Every AI company does it differently. If you build a tool for ChatGPT, it won't work with Claude. Built for Claude won't work with Gemini. It's a mess. So Anthropic said, let's fix this mess. We created MCP. Think of it as a universal adapter between AI assistants and your computer tools. Here's the cool part. Instead of building interactions for each AI separately, you build one MCP server and it works with any AI what supports the protocol. It's like, remember when every phone had a different charger and then USB-C came along. MCP is trying to be USB-C for AI integrations. MCP creates these things called servers. But don't worry, they are not complicated web servers or anything. They are just small programs that know how to do specific things. Like you might have one MCP server that reads and writes files, another one that checks your calendar, another that searches your notes. Your AI assistants like Claude Desktop connects to those servers and suddenly it can do all these things. The AI asks the server, hey, can you read this file? And the server does it and sends back the content. Think about it. You could have Claude actually write code and save it to a file, or check your calendar and schedule meeting, or search through your documentation and update it. And there is a kicker. Any developer can create these MCP servers. You're not waiting for OpenAI or Anthropic to add features. The community builds what it needs. Let me give you a super quick example. Let's say you ask Claude, what meetings do I have tomorrow? Without MCP, Claude would say, sorry, I can't check your calendar. With MCP and a calendar server running, Claude actually checks your calendar and tells you. That's the magic. In the next videos, we will look at MCP architecture, servers, clients, and transports. But don't worry, I'll keep it simple with some diagrams. See you next time.